Phoenix, Arizona, out riding the scooters. I didn't show you because I didn't think about it. We just came by a pretty nice park. It's like ball field and there were swim pools over there and la-di-da-di-da. Now we're going to check out the shopping center, outlet mall, Phoenix.
I see the Nikes.
Phoenix Premium Outlets, that's what it's called. Not gonna go in because I can't afford nothing like that. Poor full-time RVers can't afford nice things like food and shelter. Anyway, there's all the mountains in the back. We're gonna spend a night in Phoenix and get back on the road tomorrow. So we rode our little scooters up on top of this parking garage. It's a casino. You know, I didn't even get the name of the casino. Gila River. So we rode up. I said, you know, let's go up on top of the parking garage. Look at all the traffic out there on the interstate backed up. Yeah, it's jammed up. I'm glad I'm not down there. But this is, I'm using my phone, so the zoom is like crazy. Gila, how do you say that casino? This is free parking. 5-story high parking garage. It's pretty neat. We're out just beating around on scooters. She's over there doing what she does. Yeah, having a good time. We're only going to stay here tonight. We left Quartzsite this morning, and this is the first stop. You know, we got here pretty early. We actually got here, you know, Quartzsite's not that far. We got here like 10:30 or 11, something like that. So we've had all day to run around, play on our little scooters, sightsee. Also a little shopping mall over there. I forgot all about it. I was too busy looking. But if you can see the buildings there, they got every store you can think of. All your name brands, Coach, Vera Bradley, Nike, Adidas, you know, all of them. They got them all. They can go in there because I ain't trying to spend that kind of money. Anywho, let me grab my key out of the old scooter. Walk over here, see what she's looking at. There's water over there.
As far as the eyes can see.
Yes, I said I just noticed there's water over there. It's probably a sewage cesspool or something, but yep. This is the highest point in Phoenix. Well, maybe the mountains.
Even that building they're right behind us.
Okay, so it ain't the highest point in Phoenix then. Okie doke, man. Traffic's backed up as far as you can see down through there. That's insane. I'm glad we're not out there now. Well, good morning, everybody. I just got out of the bed. Literally just got out of bed. We are still in Phoenix. We spent the night here this night. This is day 2. Day 2 on the road, heading home. This night we stayed at a Cracker Barrel of her choice. Well, of her choice. I meant she picked this spot. It was a good spot. It was quiet, or either I was tired or it's quiet because I didn't hear nothing. Slept good. Well, just went and got my coffee. Took Rusty for the walk. Let me use the bathroom. Pretty nice little camper van over there. Of course, it's a brand new Mercedes. They're always really nice. I didn't see them come in either because I was too busy snoring. Sunset, or sunrise, I didn't get to see it because I was sleeping, but looks pretty back in there. You're looking through the window on my door, so it don't look that great, but yeah, I'm waiting on her. She's went to Starbucks old Starbucks to get her high dollar tutti frutti coffee, and when she gets back, I guess we're gonna get on the road. So give me just a minute and we'll take off. Alright, just a real quick update and I'm going to end this video. We are in New Mexico, staying at a rest area. I'm sitting inside the van, the RV, because the winds are outrageous out there. They're probably blowing 20, 25 mile an hour. Actually, he's taking the flags down now. Anywho, we're going to stay here tonight. Not a bad place. It seems we just got here probably 45 minutes ago, but it seems pretty quiet right now. A little bit of traffic noise on the interstate, but yeah, it's not too bad. So I think we're gonna call this home tonight and get up and do it again in the morning. Been having a few issues with the RV. Had to put a thermostat in it. It was running a little hot. Then went to running bad, and she had to carry me back. We was at a rest area. She had to carry me back in the van back to another town to get a fuel filter, and I went ahead and put a new fuel pump on it. So I put them in, and they're in the rest area, in the parking lot, got them put on. It seems to be running pretty good now. Thank the good Lord. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Still running a little bit warm. I think I'm gonna have to put a radiator in here. I believe the radiator is just not big enough. It's a factory radiator, but that's the only thing I know it could be. Water pump's good. I put a new thermostat in it. That was as soon as we started the trip, had to do that. So I feel like it's maybe the radiator is just too small, or it's dirty and clogged up, one of the two. So that's gonna be my next deal. I'm gonna try to make it home before I do that. I would like to, because I can get stuff cheaper at home than I can out here on the road. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this and pick something to eat and lay down, aggravate the old dog, and call it a day. It's only 2:30 in the afternoon, but we started early this morning. We started about 5 o'clock. And then you count the little issues we had. A couple little snags, having to work on this thing. It pretty much took up the whole day. But, you know, I get a little stressed over it, but once I get things worked on and fixed, I start calming back down. You know, it's kind of stressful when you're 2,000 miles from home and you have mechanical issues or whatever, which thankfully I'm able to fix a lot of things myself. I don't have to use a shop, but if you gotta go to the shop, you know, that's, man, you'll go broke. I mean, they just take every dime you got. So I am thankful I'm able to fix things myself. So anywho, I'm not gonna dwell on that. I think I'm gonna get off here, take it easy the rest of the day. We're gonna get up early in the morning and do it again. So yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Until then, God bless you.